I would like to put a companion computer on the drone to control all the searching and everything. It runs a little slow running it with my laptop or the telemetry receivers. So I'm trying to put a nice light computer on there. There we go. We have a Raspberry Pi Zero W. And after much trial and tribulation, I've got the MAV SDK on there, I think. I've got the Python SDK on there, I think. So right now I'm SSH'd into it over the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to try to tell it to command the drone to do a takeoff and landing example from the SDK to see if MAVLink is working. There it goes. That worked. That was running all off the Pi Zero.